follow up on guns. In California,
Sure.
Governor Newsom is pursuing a proposal that would allow private citizens to sue anyone who manufactures, sells, or distributes assault weapons in the state. It's based on the legal framework that was used in the Texas law to ban abortion after 6 weeks. Does the White House support Governor Newsom's approach here?
Well, first, I'd note there's no legislative text in California. It's a proposal or something that's being discussed. The president has long expressed his support for an assault weapons ban. He's called on Congress to pass a ban on assault weapons and high-capacity magazines. He'd like that to be done at a federal level. He's also taken action to rein in ghost guns, called on Congress to keep guns out of the hands of abusers, taken other strong executive actions to keep people safe from gun violence. He's also made clear over the last several months that he believes that SB 8 is not only an attack on women's reproductive rights, but that he will continue to fight for women's long recognized constitutional right under Roe v. Wade. I know that part of what has been proposed here is about immunity from liability. The president has supported in the past the repeal of the liability of PLCAA, which is something we would put a special immunity for gun dealers and subject them to the same type of lawsuits faced by all other businesses. That's something that could certainly move forward in Congress, but I don't have any response to a specific proposal that isn't legislative yet.
And as you know, the president marked the Sandy Hook anniversary. He's called on the Senate to pass stricter gun laws. But what is he doing? What is he doing himself to corral votes? And given the gridlock, would he support a filibuster carve-out to get something done on gun legislation?
I don't have anything new to report to all of you on the president's position on legislative processes, but I would just reiterate the fact that the president has long been an advocate for common sense gun reform measures. He led the effort to get the Brady bill passed, to put an assault weapons ban in place, to get universal background checks passed, to put in place dozens of executive actions when he was vice president, and has done more than any president in history at this point in his presidency to use his executive authority to take action on guns. Go ahead.